it's Jen from Not So Mystical Tarot. This is going to be your reading for the second half of July 2019 for Sun, Moon, or Rising sign of Aries. We are going to get started very shortly, but first, in the description, you will find Instagram, Not So Mystical Tarot, or notsomysticaltarot.com if you would like a personal or private reading. This is a general reading, so check your moon and rising signs as well for more clarification. That's why I make these videos a little bit short, so you actually have time to watch those, okay? All right, let's get started for our Aries. What do we have going on second half of July? Nice. Four of Wands. It looks like we are building a new foundation or renewing our old one to a happy place. If you look, this is a celebration. It can be a couple, like people getting married. It can just be a celebration of a relationship or a firming up of the situation that you're currently in, okay? And look at that, Three of Wands. So because of this solid foundation that you have built or are building, you can now look toward the future and start to make some longer range plans, which is really awesome because this is like the 5-year plan, not the 6-month plan. This is a much longer progression because what we're saying here is once we have this solid foundation and this solid idea of, ooh, I made a mess of that. The solid idea of what you want moving forward, it's time to go and actually just put that into place. So this is a time of stability, a time of planning, this is the time to plan too, is when you are on that solid footing. This is the time that you make those long-range plans and they stick. You know what I mean? All right, let's get a little clarification. What are we talking about here with this plan? Oh, I messed my deck up a little bit. That's all right, we'll write it around. Two of Cups, yeah. Two of Cups is about either the relationship you have with people around you. It doesn't have to be romantic either. This can be just, improving family relations. A lot of times I find this Two of Cups reminds me of like Geminis, like the twins, kind of your relationship you have with yourself. Because a lot of times we get lost in this too, in our relationship to everybody around us and making all of that perfect, making it work, and we forget to nurture ourselves. So remember to stay I'm hearing stay true to who you are. Don't sacrifice who you are for what you think you should be doing. And here you go, you've got the Seven of Wands. This can be negative people. Like you're vibrating up here on this high precipice, this high hill, and there can be people that aren't doing as well as you are relationship-wise, and they want to kind of keep you down with them. Listen, I think it's Les Brown that talks about if you hang around with 9 broke people or 9 drunk people or 9 people on drugs, you're going to be the 10th. It's the same kind of thing. These people want to kind of keep you down. They don't even know they're doing it a lot of the time. They want to bring you back to where they are because they see you making plans and moving and doing things, and they're like, well, where does that leave me, Get on my level is kind of what you want to say, but you're not going to. Notice here with this wand she's got, she's just like, yep, nope, no thanks. She's not going to go down the hill and fight with them. She's just like, no thanks. See it for what it is. Let them come to their own realizations. You don't need to go down there and explain. Just be like, no thanks, and just turn and burn. Go do your thing. You got all these wands. This is about doing for you, okay? This is about doing what you need to do for you. Let's get a little more info here. What else do we have going on? I'm really excited for Aries. This is a really nice reading that you have so far. Let's see. Two of Pentacles. So you are really firming up this solid foundation. The Two of Pentacles is about maybe having a little bit of a wobble, maybe having a little, things that don't always go perfectly for everybody. It's not all hearts, flowers, and unicorns, right? But you know what? You've got the rough sea over here, bigger waves, and then a smaller sea over here. So you know what? You learn to balance it out. And here you are, you're learning to balance this out. Pentacles are like your home life, your work life. There could be all kinds of different opportunities. And you know what? Change is a good thing. So you're kind of rebalancing, and that's perfectly all right. I like to see this because it means you're moving in a new direction. And you have the Ace of Cups. So I definitely think this is personal. This is family. This is relationships. It's personal. The aces are opportunities. And let me turn this because it's so pretty. There. Aces are opportunities from the universe. And this is your emotional heart space kind of opportunity. So especially with that Four of Wands in the beginning, I really think this is about you looking to make your relationships go in a certain direction. that's really beneficial, it really fulfills you, this is your opportunity to do just that. So make sure that you don't miss this while you're busy organizing everything, okay? Because it is tempting to just get into that type A organizing kind of thing. I can do that very easily. I'm really, really excited for you guys, though. This is a really great reading. Let's just get a little more info on this Two of Pentacles, what we're balancing out. What are we organizing, balancing? Well, there you got, right here, the Ten of Cups. This is super about relationships, happy family. This is really what we're focusing on the second half of July. And I know the first half of July readings were like, wow, they were really intense and a lot of emotional energy coming. So it's just going to be that kind of month. But look at where you end up. Keep your focus, get yourself balanced, keep your focus right. And that's where you're going to end up, is here. The Ten of Cups is like happy, wonderful family time, wonderful relationship time, where everybody's kind of getting each other's vibe. It's really exciting. And look at this, Ace of Wands. You are the Wands. You are a fire sign. So this is all about actions and doing. You get the Ace of Cups with the Ace of Wands. It's about opening yourself up, because this is about taking action, following your passion, following your love. It could be allowing somebody new into your family. Maybe there's somebody that you want to date if you're not attached. Maybe there's a child that you want to adopt, who knows, all kinds of stuff. Maybe you want to adopt a dog. I don't know. But follow your passion here. Follow your passion and really open yourself up, because look at this happiness that you're on your way to. I'm so excited for you. Like I said, watch your moon and rising. Or if you want more information, you can always book a personal reading with me. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you soon.